the hospital kidney video and a Stuart 5A steam test. Sorry about my voice, I've got a bit of a sore throat owing to the pipe that they must have rammed down my throat during the operation. Here I am in York Hospital after having my right kidney removed. It soon went rapidly downhill from there. I was discharged early because my catheter fell out. But I am at home now and can continue making videos. Also, I show a steam test run of a Stuart 5A in the garden from 2017. And that should stop people from saying, I didn't subscribe to this channel to see videos about taking kidneys out. So what is this on my arm? It would appear that the surgeon, Mr. J.R. Wilson, has a sense of humour not dissimilar to mine. When I said, "Are you sure you're removing the correct kidney?" he quickly drew this on my arm just to remind me. RT is short for right and K is short for kidney. After the procedure, here I am in a hospital bed, not doing very much at all. This is my eldest daughter Emma, pleased that I'm still alive. But this is what I feel like. All seemed to have gone well, but during the night there was a nurse wandering about the ward in the dark, emptying the catheter bags. I was asleep but soon woke up with a start, feeling pain in my genitalia. This loosened the catheter, which became uncomfortable. Then later in the day it fell out altogether. A doctor looked at the loose catheter and said they may as well just take it out and discharge me. This was at around 2 p.m, just one day after surgery. 7 hours sat about in pain, awaiting the discharge papers and necessary support drugs was not good. But now I am home and weigh around 1 kilogram less. The pain is interesting and my first wife Fran is looking after me. Just in case you missed that, here's a sequence of events. Tuesday the 16th of September 2025, surgery to remove my cancerous kidney. Discharged from York Hospital on the 17th of September, followed by a day in bed watching Big Bang Theory on TV. Friday the 19th of September, editing video as usual, and I start a new project tomorrow. This is an edit of a Stuart 5A steam test from 2017. Originally the camping stove base had a gas canister inside it, but that didn't work. I pipe it out to an external one. I'm not going to speak over the steam test, so that's it from me in this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find it as entertaining as I did. please take the time to visit my Mainsteam Models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back.